This is Bryce Andrews, CIT 336. I'm going to demonstrate my final project, the reviews for the Acme website. I'm going to run this. Okay, first I'm going to create a client, and I'm going to demonstrate the cookies. So let's create a client. Need to go to the create account. Just say bugs bunny bugs at acme.com. Before I create this account, I wanted to show real quick that you can view reviews without being logged in. So here's Rocket Reviews, and then if you want to log in, then you need to log in here. So, well, let's just go that way. So I'll show that this link works here. So we're gonna link here. Now we'll create the account. Bugs bunny bugs at acme.com. Create a password. Submit. Okay, right here, at this point, it will have logged a cookie for me. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to go to cookies, view cookie information. So if we scroll down, there's a cookie named first name, and the value is bugs. So that was created when we registered that client. Okay, so now I'm going to log in. And on login, that cookie is going to be deleted. So I'll come in here and view the cookie information. And as you can see, that first name cookie has disappeared from our cookie list. Alright. So this is a new client. So he does not have any reviews. So you can't see any of those on here. But I can go in and, well, let's pick one that doesn't have a lot of reviews. See, well, here's a bunch of reviews on this one. Let's just pick one that doesn't have a whole lot. Okay, so this one doesn't have any. Okay, so I'll just write a review. Don't get your hand caught. It hurts. Okay, we're gonna add that review. We scroll down. Hey, look, B Bunny. So it's grabbing that first initial of my first name. So B Bunny wrote on 10 April 2018. Don't get your hand caught. It hurts. Okay. So there's that. And I'm gonna, just while we're here, I'm gonna show the validations here, server side and client side. So if I try and add this empty review, it's going to say please fill that out. If I hit the no validate and add it, it's going to say up here, please provide information for all empty form fields. Okay. You may have noticed my little coyote that's sticking on the side here, just waiting for you to do something. Okay, so there's that one. So we have this review down here. So if I go back to my admin page through this link up here, see it says welcome bugs up here after I've logged in. So if I click on that and come down, I can manage my reviews. So first of all, let's go in here and let's edit it. And while we're here, let's just do a HTML validation on this. Oh, no errors. Awesome. Okay, so let's edit this. And on here, let me just show real quick. If we try and update it without editing it, it's going to give us an error. Sorry, review is not updated. So we do need to update it. Okay, so it hurts. You may even lose it. So update. We'll scroll down here. Okay, your hand caught, it hurts, you may even lose it. Okay, so we have that. Now if we come in here and do the delete, while we're here, let's just do our CSS validation. Hopefully it's valid. Congratulations, it's valid. Alright, awesome. So here's the delete. Up here we have a warning. Do you want to continue with deletion? The delete is permanent. Yeah, okay. We want to do that, so let's delete it. Yay, the giant mousetrap review no longer exists. Okay, so we've deleted it. There's nothing there. Alright, the next thing I want to show is on this welcome bugs. It's going to disappear. As you can see, it's up here on all my views. If I go home, it's up there. If I go to any page, it's going to be there. But if I log out, it's going to disappear. And my account button will appear. And we can go in here and we can view the reviews. Okay. Go to any one of these, view the reviews, but we do need to log in. So let's log in to a different account. Now this one I'm logging into has reviews already in it. So it's going to take us to that admin page and it's going to show us the reviews that are attached to this user. I'm going to log in. And as I'm going through these pages, you can see that I've got them all looking the same. Got my, everything's got the radius on here. Make them nice and round. So on these, it brought me to the admin page and I have my list of reviews. So every time you log in, if you've done any reviews, it's going to tell you when you did them. And up here it's going to be our latest one. So on 10 April there's the review, and then if we scroll down here on 3 April there's some reviews too. Okay, so the latest one's going to be on top. And you can scroll down and see what you wrote on any product. It'll have the product here and what you wrote on it. Here's instant hull, rocket, mallet, small bomb. So there's multiple products, and it lists them in order by date, starting on the top with the most recent review. Okay, so validated, updated, deleted. Okay, I think all I need to show now is here's my table. Let's go to reviews. Okay, so on the reviews, you got the review ID, review text, review date, invitee client ID. So the invitee is just showing you what product it's the review's on and which client made that review. Copy, delete, edit. Alright. And I think that's about all we have. And I just added some fun little things in here, like you got your sticky coyotes waiting, thinking up a plan to get that dang roadrunner that's right here in the back of this. Oh, there he is. Go back here. On this one, I tried to do this picture. This is a disintegrating ray gun, so it's going to disintegrate these reviews when we hit the delete button. Try to add some fun little stuff in there. But that is my video. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks.